kidney beans, that's already boiled, tomato sauce, spinach, tomato, cilantro, mushroom, green beans, potato, onion, garlic, lemon, carrot, celery, zucchini, oregano, Italian herbs, veg broth powder, cumin, salt, pepper, and red chili powder. Behind the camera, I'm gonna chop them up everything, then we'll do the next process. Everything is all set, guys. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna saute the vegetable first. Press saute mode. Almost 20 minutes. Start. Well, adding carrot and celery. After 3 minutes, we're gonna add green beans. Cooking after another 2 minutes, we're going to add all the vegetables, potato, zucchini, leftover celery, and the onion. Now we're gonna let it 3 minutes more until the onion gets tender. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons garlic paste. 1, 2. Salt, cumin powder, veg broth, Italian herbs, oregano. Wow, what a flavor! Pepper powder, chili powder. Add tomato sauce. Tomato. Cooking after 2 minutes, we are going to add mushroom and the kidney beans already boiled. Okay, so now we're gonna add almost 3/4 liter water. Put the lid on. Oops. What's that? Now, and cancel saute mode, and we're gonna do pressure cook for, I'll go with 11 minutes. Start. So it's already on pressure cooker mode. We're not gonna press anything here. Once all the pressure gone, it's ready to open. Wow. So here, instead of using Italian pasta, we're gonna use Canadian steel cut whole wheat oat to make more healthier. That's it. Now again we're gonna use fresh cook for 2 minutes. Start. Make sure there's no pressure at all. Wow. You're gonna add spinach. Some cilantro. Mix it well again. And fresh lemon juice. And now it's time to enjoy the healthy vegan minestrone soup.